Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I am going to use my Melody Susie Atena Cordless nail drill. I did a unboxing and then I did this manicure. I've been wearing this for a week now, so it's time to take her off. So we're gonna try this out. So I'm not the best at using an e-file. I normally just used a hand file, but I need to practice. I want to try and get good at it. So we are going to try it out. So I did charge it. I'll link the unboxing up above. So I did charge her already. Isn't she pretty? She's like a purpley pink. So that's where you charge her. That's where she plugs in. This is the lock and unlock. So you can take it out and put in your nail bit. So they sent me a large medium barrel, and then also it came with some standard, there, I'm getting good at that, some standard type bits. Let's get this stuff out of the way. And it comes with a full instruction book. It tells you how to use it, what not to do, all your safety. And then it tells you about the 6 bits. So there's the cone, the safety bit, a needle head. So the cone is under nails, cuticles, and sidewalls. Safety bit is cuticle work, polish, nail side edge. Needle head is polished nail edge. Small barrel is surface work. Rounded bit, surface work for backfill, cutting, shorten, infill, cuticle. And then of course the mandrel and the sanding bend. Surface work, shortening, and removal. I'm more used to using a sanding bit. That's usually what I'll do to shine off the shiny. And yeah, so comes with a bunch of bits. These ones look like they're more fine, and then these ones in here they look like they're rougher. So let me get all set up and we'll go through it. One moment. Okay, so I'll go over a little bit with you on all of these. So basically, you push and hold the on-off switch for 2 seconds. It comes on. So I have a fair bit of charge. So that reverses it, and that changes it direction, so it goes forward and reverse. So when you're using it in your left hand, it goes forward, and when it's in your right hand, it goes rewind, I think. I have to look that up. But so, and then you can go faster, really high, and then it goes down low. So press and hold to go low, press and hold to go high. And then turn it off. Okay. So I'm just going to put in a safety or a cone bit. This one's in fine. I'm going to try it out. See, it goes into, I want to pull it out a bit. There we go. I don't like them when they're right down to the edge, because I kind of wonder about that. So Now I am filing, this is my right hand. I am right-handed. So if I look a little awkward, that is why. So I have a fan that dust collector, that's what it's called. So we turn it on. Okay, why aren't you turning on? Locked? Yeah. There we go. Okay. So I have her in the right direction that I want it to be in. So basically I am just going to, maybe I want to turn her up a little bit there. I'm not pressing and I'm not staying in the same spot. I'm not going to make you suffer and watch me do all my nails. And I'm just going to file off all the shiny and then part of the dip, just because, let's see, that's the wrong way. Yeah. Trying to make sure I stay in frame for you. No, this way. See, it's been a while since I've used a new file, so I'm sorry if I look funny, but I like, it's lightweight compared to my other one, which is nice. Oh, I have full power on here. It's lightweight and it's like holding a pen, so it's not uncomfortable. This would be, I'm sure, for home use. I don't see, if you're doing tons of nails all the time. But I love that it's cordless. I'm not like, you know, trying to my other one is corded. So I'm forever getting tangled up and then trying to untangle. So I definitely like it for that. So I'm basically just going through and I'm filing most of the glitter off. And it's getting sucked up. Because my natural nails are, I didn't put a builder gel or anything. My natural nails are underneath. I don't want to damage them. So I'm just going, I'm taking off, you know, a majority of it. So then I'll just soak off the rest. But I need to wear dip powders more often, because before I didn't like doing dip powders as much because taking them off was a pain in the butt. And I wasn't comfortable using my e-file. But you know what? I'm liking this one. It's gentle. And it's easy to use. It's easy to hold. My hand's not cramping up. I'm not freaking out. And I'm using a finer bit as well. I mean, as I get more comfortable, I'll use I'd probably use this one, the medium that came with it. I like it was nice that they sent me a nice bit. My friend Nails of Interest, she actually, she sent me a few different bits. And she sent me this Erica's polisher, which was really cool. I haven't used it yet. So, it looks really nice. I guess it's for around your skin and everything to make everything smooth. So, see, if I did it, I'd be a little faster, but I'm taking my time. If you're not sure, just practice on yourself. Take your time. That's what I'm doing. So I want to be able to feel comfortable to do nails on friends. And by practicing on myself and not damaging my nails, it'll be really good. So now, there you can see I'm starting to get down to my natural nail. So I'm going to probably move on to the next one. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward and get all the rest of it off, and then we'll be back in a moment. One moment. So I'm going to try out this bit and see. So hang on, I'm going to fast forward. Turn this off. So this I forgot what it's called. The vacuum, anyway, whatever it's called. I'll remember. I got this off of AliExpress way back then. They've got some really cool ones out. This one's not as good as what it could be. I'm gonna have to clean up my whole area. But anyway, enough of that. So I have filed off a majority of my dip powder. Worked great. Very pleased with it. So now I'm just going to soak off. So hang on one second. Okay, so now what I do is I bought these off of Amazon. You can also get them on AliExpress. They're little pre-packaged little foil packets. You can also use a piece of foil, and then what you can do is get like a makeup pad, cut it in 4, so you have like little pieces. I do that occasionally. I don't have any cut up right now. I'll cut them in 4 and then kind of put it in the piece of tin foil and do the same thing as this. But these have everything all together. I take my acetone. Whoop, not so good, the acetone. Okay, so what I do is I fold it in half first and then wrap my nail. I find it's easier. So if you fold, 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 and then you just take it and so I fold the little side in first and then the big one all the way around, and then you get like a, and then I squeeze the ends like a little burrito. And so stick my hand in, fold, fold over, squeeze the ends. That's what I actually forgot to tell you as well. I file my tips as well, because when I cut my edges, it helps break the seal. So and then if you want to make it go off a little faster, what I'll do is I will get my heating pad, and then I'll put my hand on my heating pad, and then I'll put like a little towel over, and then it the heat helps percolate the acetone, warm it up, and it seems to go way faster. Always use 100% acetone. If you want, I forgot, you can put some cuticle oil around your nails to help soften. I prefer doing this versus a lot of people will put their hand, like they'll put like a little baggie of like a paper towel inside, and then acetone, and then they have like a bowl of water or, you know, heated up rice, and then they stick their hand inside. I don't like doing that because I'm soaking in the acetone and it's getting all over my fingers and it gets goopy and gunky, and I hate that. So I much prefer just, because then it's only just on my nails. It's not all over the place, and yeah, it's not so gross for me. Okay, so then I will sit probably for about 10 minutes, and then we'll come back and it should be come right off. Okay, one moment. So it's been probably about 15 minutes. I kind of got carried away and was watching TV, and I'm like, oh, I guess I better check my nails. So I only unwrap one at a time. That way it keeps, because once it's exposed to the air, it will harden again, like dry up. So I just go in, and this is my little, this is from Rosalind, and it's just the little gel remover, and it doesn't hurt. I just, you know, rub against my skin. It doesn't do anything, so it doesn't damage your nail. I don't push hard. I just kind of scrape along, and it just removes everything. So, and then when it gets down to the end, as you saw, I just kind of hold it down. So it got a majority off. There's a lot of shimmer in there, so let's go back and wrap again for a minute. And then we'll do the next one. Oh, I don't know if my finger was fully on the pad properly. Sometimes that will happen if you don't wrap properly. You can kind of, so I just go and do this. Now if I wanted, I could have filed more down. But I'm just getting kind of used to using an e-file, so I wanted to be safe than sorry. But I'm definitely going to start, I'm going to start doing more dip powder manis on this hand, and then just kind of practice with my e-file and keep continuing using this Melody Susie one. But so far I'm totally loving it. It was so much easier to do than my other one. So look how nice that one comes off. Okay, so I just grab a cotton pad. I probably should have put and then I just go over my nails one more time just to do a final clean, and then I will put on some cuticle oil, and then I'm good. So, and no damage. Oh, I got some glitter left over there, but that'll come off. Okay, one sec. And then cuticle oil. And that is how I remove, so I can remove my gel polish or my dip powder. And in this case, I had both on because I had dip powder using the gel method. So I just rub that in and I'm good to go. Look at that, no damage. So in final thoughts about this Melody Susie Atena nail drill, which is, it's an e-file. I am really loving it. It's so easy to use. It's so nice and comfortable to hold. I'm not 100%, like I would like to know how many RPMs I'm at, but I can kind of tell by the sound. If it's lower, then I know it's low, like a lower hum, or a high, you know, if it's a higher hum. But other than that, I'm okay with that. And then trying to figure out forward, reverse. It'd be nice to have some sort of indicator. So a couple little drawbacks, but overall a nice home use e-file. I will definitely use this more often. I'm going to be doing a whole lot of dip powder manis, so I am going to give this a real test and see how it works, and I'll keep you updated. But so far I am loving this e-file. It's way easier to use than my big one. So yeah, I'm liking it, and I'm getting more comfortable you know, e-filing off my dip powder, and I'm very happy because I have a lot of dip powder and I want to use it. So anyway, I like it, and I want to say thank you to Melody Susie for sending me this e-file. I will have all their information linked down below, and yeah, I will give you an update on how it's using probably in a couple weeks. I want to do a couple more manis with it, but so far definitely a thumbs up for me. Okay, thanks for hanging out with me while I try out take off my dip powder and try out my new e-file. And stay tuned, because I'm naked now, so I need to do a mani. Okay, I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. And remember, be someone sparkle. Bye! Are you destroying your bed?